Welcome to the Lectric Service Center. Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace the brake pads on your Lectric e-bike mechanical brakes. Before we begin, you'll need to make sure you have some tools ready to go. You will need needle nose pliers, a 5mm Allen wrench, a 5mm Allen socket, a torque wrench, and an optional digital caliper. We'll be performing this replacement on the rear brake caliper of an XP Lite. This process will be the exact same on the front and rear brakes. First, loosen and remove the side caliper mounting bolts with a 5mm Allen wrench. This will free up the brake caliper. Removing the side mounting bolts should eliminate the need to perform a brake alignment once you have reinstalled the caliper. Once the brake caliper is removed, locate the retention pin on the side of the brake caliper. Straighten the end of the pen with your needle nose pliers and pull the pen out. Next, you'll find the brake pads on the underside of the brake caliper. Using your needle nose pliers, lift the brake pads and pull them out of the brake caliper. Now, carefully remove the worn brakes from the spring. Make sure to save the brake pad spring as you'll need it when installing the new brake pads. New brake pads will have 4mm of brake pad material on it. Worn brake pads will have 2.7mm or less of brake pad material left on it. A brake pad in this condition will need to be replaced. Place the new brake pads into the pad spring. Make sure the brake pad material is facing inward. Now, pinch the brake pads together and slide them back into the underside of the caliper. Insert the retention pin back into the brake caliper. This can be difficult, so please be patient. Bend the inside end of the pin to 90 degrees, locking it into place. Finally, mount the brake caliper back onto the bike and tighten the mounting bolts with a 5mm Allen wrench. Then, torque them down to 12 Nm. Before riding your bike again, test the brakes and make sure the lever is parallel to the handlebars when pulled. If it is not, you may need to perform a brake alignment. Watch this video to learn how to do that. You are now ready to ride. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer support team at contact@lectricebikes.com or give us a call at 602-715-0907. Thanks for watching.